There's something really important that I need to share with you. CurlyCoilyTresses products are entering their final chapter, and I want you to hear it directly from me. For the past decade, these formulations have supported thousands of women in stabilizing moisture, strengthening hair, and creating healthier routines. But the products currently available represent the final manufacturing run. Once existing inventory is sold, they will no longer be produced. This decision was intentional, not because the product stopped working, but because the manufacturing costs have risen so much. Going forward, my work is now focused primarily on education and expert guidance through two different ways. Midlife Hair Explained, which is a digital guide, which gives you the full picture of what's happening with your hair and why. And then secondly, the Midlife Hair Health Review, which provides personalized insight and expert guidance based on your specific hair patterns. These resources will remain available for the longer term because understanding what's happening with your hair is what creates lasting stability. If CurlyCoilyTresses products have been part of your routine, this is the time to restock. This is indeed the time to restock. Or maybe this is the time to try something that you've been considering. Because again, once inventory is gone, it will not return. It will not return. These formulations were designed specifically for midlife hair to support moisture, strength, and scalp health. And many of you have relied on them for years. You've been there with me from the beginning. CurlyCoilyTresses has always been a Black woman-owned business built specifically to support Black women navigating midlife hair changes with clarity, care, and respect for how our hair actually behaves. Your support during this final phase matters, not just for the products, but for the work and the mission behind them, and I gave them my all. If you're not sure what to purchase right now, or if you want flexibility, electronic gift cards are available in 4 denominations, $25, $50, $75, and $100. They can be purchased in any amount. They can be used toward products while they're still available or toward education and expert guidance moving forward. This isn't an ending, it's a refinement. The mission has always been helping you stabilize your hair. Now that support continues through clarity, education, and expert interpretation. Because once you understand your hair, everything becomes calmer, consistent, and easier to sustain. If you want to secure products or electronic gift cards, you can visit the link below this video. And if you're truly ready to understand your hair, not just manage it, Midlife Hair Explained and Midlife Hair Health Review is available anytime. Thank you for being part of this incredible journey.